So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna walk up to the keypad and it shows you all the floors. Just gonna tap the floor.
6. Car K.
And it's telling me to get on K. So I'm gonna go right over here and it usually blinks to let you know what elevator it is. And then you just walk over. And once on the inside, you're gonna see that there's absolutely no buttons on the inside to push except for door open, door close, and the emergency button. It just shows you which floors that it's going to. And now I'm on deck 6. So that's how the elevators work.